Hello my friends, welcome back here to the Pistacchio graphics channel. For today I will show you how to create this project that is a Jewerly box with the Canadian leaf. I will show you how to create these three parts and two methods how to create this emboss. For that I created these two drawings that you can download in the first link of the description that is inside of my ebook. Here contain all the measurements that we need to that project. Or if you prefer, you can download all these files on my GrabCAD page. The link is here on the description. Let's start. Create a new design. Create here a new component. I will call bottom. Start to create a new sketch. A rectangle by the center. The first two measurements is 500 millimeters with 300 millimeters. Finish the sketch. Extrude with 40 millimeters. Create a new sketch on the top face. Repeat the process with the rectangle. Here on the Create tab, select the project and project this top face, and apply here a distance of 10 millimeters here and here. Now we have our reference. Now we need to create two constructions line. Change here to construction. Click on the center. One line on the vertical, other line on the horizontal. Here, create another line, returning to normal, and create two lines like that, and apply a constraint of parallel, and that is parallel. The same for that triangular. Certify that 2 is parallel, okay, and apply a distance of 5 millimeters. The same for that side. Here is 5 millimeters, and here is 5 millimeters. Okay, now we have that two triangular, and we will repeat using the mirror tool. Select the two lines, select the horizontal, and click OK. Repeat the mirror, these two lines that we create. Select the mirror line and click OK. Now we have these four triangulars. Finish the sketch. Select the extrude tool. Select all the triangulars and apply a minus 35 millimeters and remove the material. The measurement is here on the drawings. Now we need to apply a fillet of 8 millimeters. Create a new sketch here on the top face. Create a new rectangle by the center. The same process that we did before. P for project and project these two lines here, and apply a distance of 10 millimeters here and here, 10 millimeters. Finish the sketch. E for extrude, select this and apply a minus 5 millimeters to remove the material. Now we can apply a fillet. Select all these corners here, here, and here. Repeat that process here and here. And apply a 8 millimeters radius. create another here on the fillet, hold the control and select even these edges on the middle. Hold the control and click on this edge and click OK. Okay, now we have this part done. And I will apply a fillet on these edges in the end of the project that I can apply in the two parts. Return here to the main project, create a new component that is top, hide the first one and create a new sketch. Repeat the process with the rectangle, the same measurements, 500 to 300. Finish the sketch. Now the measurement for that is 20 millimeters extrude. E for extrude, 20 millimeters. Here on the bottom face, select to create a new sketch, a new rectangle by the center, here, and P for project the face, and apply here a distance of 10.3 millimeters, and here, 10.3 millimeters. Select the extrude tool, apply a 5 millimeters, return to the main project, unhide the first component. This first one needs to be grounded, that we can constrain the second one above the first, that we will do now. J for joint, hold the control, click here on the center point, and do the same for that face, hold the control on the center point. To be easier to identify the project, we can apply a Shift N to create a random colors. In that moment, we can do these two processes to apply the emboss of the leaf. We need to save first. Here on the file of the leaf, here, that I show you in the last video how to design that. The link is here on the cards. Now we can, with the right button, copy and choose here the paste, curly box, and click copy. Return the paste here. Now we have a copy of the Canadian flag in the previous video here on this project. We have two methods to do that. I can import, just click and drag. The flag will be here, this component. I just need to and click apply. You can hide this sketch and just click for the joint, hold the control, the center point, hold the control on that face, flip the direction, and click OK. Now we can use this tool combine. Select the target that we need to remove the material and click on the leaf that we use to remove the material. Change here for cut. Now I can suppress this point and move, and now I remove the material. Or I can create here, I will delete this combine, that joint, and that component. Or you can go here on the project, just select the sketch that we create this leaf, select all the lines here, and copy, go to the project, here on the top component, hide the first, create a new sketch, and click here Ctrl V. Now you create a copy of this sketch. You can rotate that if in your case is not in the right position. You leave as they have here. But they are not constrained. Just create a coincidence here and here. Now in the right position. Finish the sketch and extrude to remove the material -6 millimeters. And now we have this emboss, and you can apply a fillet here on that edge with 1 millimeter, and apply a fillet of 1 millimeter, and another fillet, that one here and here are 2 millimeters. Okay. Return here to the main project, import the Canadian flag, finish the sketch, confirm with confirm here, and hold the Ctrl, repeat the process. You can choose the process that you like more. The result will be the same. Now we can apply some fillets here and here, these vertical ones. Is 8 millimeters, and the other ones on the edge are 6 millimeters. Okay, you can suppress here to move and see the whole project, and apply some colors. I like to use the pine, the cherry gloss here and here, and the pine here on the top. Shift N to return to the standard colors that you apply, and we can change a little bit the scale. Be better. And here on the pine, be more realistic here. Finish the sketch, select these two and unsuppress and hide. Now we have this project finished. I hope you liked. Subscribe here to the video, leave me a like button, write me here a comment below new projects that you want to see here on the channel, that I will create here on the Fusion and show you how to design. And see you in the next video.